Yo, good morning guys, it's Andy from MCC Just Motos. Today's new bike day. So let's go get this bike, get it delivered. Guerrilla 450. Welcome to MCC Just Motos. I'm at a local supermarket. I have a bike coming. It's getting dropped off. I haven't seen it yet. I bought the first Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 in the United States. Now, I haven't ridden it, I haven't seen it, I haven't driven it, and it's been about a month and a half, I think, before I've actually get to pick it up. I have my good friend Fuzzy Biker riding around for me. About 1,000 miles in, I think, is where we're at. My good friends at Baxter Cycle, who I bought it from, they did the first service. I'll tell you all about it. But really, more than anything, I'm just really excited to pick this bike up and get my hands on it. And it's gonna be new bike day. So let's go get this bike, get it delivered, and find out what it's all about. All right, there is where I think my bike is being delivered. There it is, all bikes. Where's it going? I don't know. There it is. There it is. That's a big old trailer. Holy moly. That's no joke. No joke. Yeah, I'm glad it came here. Man, look at this.
Better not screw up.
You better not screw up, right? Had 35 bikes. Just came from Pennsylvania. There's 2 left. This trailer's huge.
I don't have any pickups right now because I gotta hurry up and get back to do Harley. So
You got to get the Harley?
yeah, because normally I have a full load even going back.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's pretty unusual, right? All right. You got a Harley in there, it looks like. Look at this. There it is. What's the bike? What's the bike? I know. Guerrilla 450. There it is in all its glory. Boom.
I like the color.
Yeah, man. Me too. It is. One of the lightest bikes you've had in there?
Yeah, probably.
Look at this thing. Look at that tire. Do you ride yourself?
Oh yeah.
I was gonna say, what do you have, Harley?
I have the Ultra Limit Harley.
Yeah.
I bought a BMW off my warehouse manager.
Yeah.
I got a couple of Hondas and Suzukis in my garage.
Nice.
My wife rides a Honda Shino Phantom.
Oh, nice. Okay. There it is.
Can I put it over here for you?
No, it's there. Fine, right there.
My video and all that. There it is.
There it is.
I like the rims too on
Yeah, man. All right, guys. Tony's packing up. I'm gonna get on that bike, go home, and tell you all about it. I'm really excited. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I do all things motorcycle. We're gonna be doing a lot of reviews, a lot of my feedback on this Guerrilla 450, the first one in America. Pretty excited. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next episode.